Welcome to WebStyle Plus. You can write more human-friendly comments in your code. Categorize your comments into alerts, queries, to-dos, highlights, and more. Commented out code can also be styled to make it clear. You can also add custom comment styles by specifying it in the user settings. For example, these are comments. How boring. We can add asterisk sign, exclamation sign, question sign, to do word, at param before each comment to highlight these into the relevant categories. Now, this is a better way to comment out your code. All you need is a VS Code extension. Extension name is Better Comments. This is the extension. Install it and write noticeable comments in your code. Also, it is highly customizable and allows you to style as you like. For example, comment with exclamation sign can have a specific color, background color, and you can add custom CSS styles for this specific tag. You can also define your own tags and write your custom styles for these tags. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.